In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Donut in AutoCAD. To begin, go to the Donut tool or type D-O-N-U-T in the command line and press Enter. Next, specify the inside diameter of the donut by entering a value and pressing Enter. Then, enter the outside diameter and press Enter. After setting the diameters, click a location in your drawing to place the donut. AutoCAD will create a filled circular object based on the diameter values you provided. You can continue placing additional donuts by selecting more locations in your drawing. When you are finished, press Enter to exit the command. Donut is useful when creating filled circular shapes or ring-like objects in AutoCAD. It can be used for marking locations, creating symbols, and adding circular details to a drawing. To modify a donut, select the object and use the available editing tools to adjust its position, size, or properties. And that's how to use Donut in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching the video.